Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 12, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Third row and fifth grade. 8th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row column I we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in any of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in any of the 2 cells. 6th row we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column G, 3rd row and 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row and 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 will come in any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column F we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 5th grade we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in any of the 2 cells. 4th row we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 3rd row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 2nd grade 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, column D we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 3rd row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Second row 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6, 7. 3rd grade we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in any of the 2 cells. Column C we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 3rd grade 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column J we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 9. So 9 can come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can come in the cell. 3 will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 3. So 3 can come these cells. 10th row also we have 3. So 3 can come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can come in the cell. 7 will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 9th row, we already have 8. So 8 can come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can come these cells. 4 will come in one of the two cells. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 also confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Since 1 is here, so 1 can come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Tenth row, we have 6. So 6 confirmed in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, column G, only 1 number is remaining. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 1st grade, we already have 4. So 4 can come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column D, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 5th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, we already have 7, so 7 can come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Sixth row, we have 5, so 5 can come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we already have 3, so 3 can come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.